What's up guys, this is Rahul Raj from College Dekho. Here is another video to help you make a better choice about your future. In this video, I will talk about career as a physician in detail. Physicians are doctors who offer non-surgical healthcare to patients. They diagnose the medical problem and monitor the patient health until they are stable. The job role of physician also involves educating the patient on medical conditions and preventive cares. Physicians are responsible for many factors such as jotting down patient medical history, prescribing tests, reviewing test results, recommending and preparing a plan of treatment, addressing patient concerns or queries. Let's go step by step and understand what all points you need to keep in mind if you want to become a successful physician. As with most professions, right education qualifications are also necessary for this job too. Candidates who wish to make a career as a physician must meet the following eligibility criteria. Eligibility to become physician. In order to practice as a physician, the maximum age limit is 17 years. The candidate must have passed 10+2 in science stream with physics, chemistry and biology from a recognized board with at least 50%. The candidate also need to appear for medical exam conducted by the state or central government such as state-wise common entrance test, AIIMS entrance test, NEET, PGMER, JIPMER and AFMC. NEET is an all India entrance exam conducted by the CBSE for admission to the MBBS course. Some private universities such as Manipal University have their own entrance test. After clearing the entrance test, the aspirant can pursue MBBS. It is a UG level degree with 5.5 year duration. The duration for the academic program is 4.5 year and 1 year for rotating internship. Upon successful completion of MBBS, candidate can begin practicing as a physician. To enhance their professional skill after completing MBBS, one can opt for MD, PG diploma, DNB in the field of medicine. Physicians not only treat various ailments but at the same time they also treat their patient way of prevention and also offer preventive health care. Apart from physician, there are many other specializations that one can pursue depending on their interest. For instance, one can choose to become a pediatrician, obstetrician, an ENT specialist or an internal medicine doctor. As a physician is extremely rewarding and there are a good number of job opportunities in this field. After you qualified as a physician, you can start your own practice or you can work in hospital. A few places where physician can seek employment are mentioned here. Government and private hospital. Doctor can choose to work in government hospital or private hospital. There are many such hospitals in India where one can work as per his or her interest. Private practice. This is an option for starting one own practice in clinic. You can be your own boss and decide how many patients you want to see in a day, which leaves some room for flexibility in schedule. Armed forces. After finishing MBBS, one can also join Armed Medical Service as doctor. For this, candidate will have to clear the written exam and crack the interview, held by the panel of Army doctors. Armed forces include Army, Air Force and Navy, so you can get any of these three services upon selection. Consultant. Physician can also work as a consultant in business organization. They can be a part of healthcare, biotechnology and pharmaceuticals. Railway. After pursuing MBBS, you can also join Indian Railway has ADMO, Assistant Divisional Medical Officer. Your responsibility will entail providing healthcare to railway employees, retired railway employees and their dependents along with other staff such as vendors or contractors. There are many multi-specialty hospitals in India where physicians can choose to work. Some of the best multi-specialty hospitals that recruit physicians are as follows. AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Science, Columbia Asia Referral Hospital, PGIMER, Tata Memorial Hospital, Apollo Hospital, Leelavati Hospital and Research Center, Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital and Medical Research Center. The question may strike your mind is how much you can actually earn being a physician. Well, we got you covered. If you have decent education background and have completed your salary, the average salary of physician ranges in between 5.5 lakhs to 6.5 lakhs per annum. After a year of practice and experience, a physician can earn up to 7.5 lakhs to 8.5 lakhs. Check out all the data related to career as a physician in the link given below. And do not forget to invade our comment section and share your thought as well. Until next time, this is Rahul Raj from College Dekho signing off.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.